Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening iTunes and confirming your library location. Choose File Add Folder to Library to import a folder of music now. Once done, review track metadata and correct artist, album, and year so sorting works. While you import, make sure iTunes converts any non-compatible files to AAC or MP3 by setting Preferences Import settings. You want a clean library before syncing. This avoids duplicates and broken links when you move to the next step. You now organize what goes to your device. Create playlists or smart playlists that filter by genre, year, or play count. Once done, connect your iPhone or iPad and select it in iTunes. Go to the Music tab and choose Sync Music, then pick Entire Library or Selected Playlists, Artists, Albums. If you prefer Control, make sure to enable Manually Manage Music and Videos so you can drag tracks directly. This step guarantees only chosen songs transfer and avoids overwriting. You finish by clicking Apply or Sync and watching the progress bar. Do not disconnect during transfer. Once complete, unlock your device and play several tracks to verify audio, artwork, and playlists arrived intact. If you find missing songs or errors, make sure the device has enough free space and that iTunes is authorized with your Apple ID. If needed, reset sync history in Preferences Devices and retry. This final check prevents lost files and ensures your music is ready to play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.